warning remains in effect until 11 a.m. EST this morning. Cold weather advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. EST Wednesday. What? For the extreme cold warning. Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 27 below. For the cold weather advisory, very cold wind chills as low as 21 below expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? For the extreme cold warning, until 11 a.m. EST this morning. For the cold weather advisory, from 7 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. EST Wednesday. Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Frostbite and hypothermia will occur if unprotected skin is exposed to these temperatures. An extended period of freezing temperatures could cause ruptured water pipes. Dress in layers including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. To prevent water pipes from freezing, wrap or drain or allow them to drip slowly. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Make sure outdoor animals have a warm, dry shelter, food, and unfrozen water. Make frequent checks on older family, friends, and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. Do not use generators or grills inside. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves.